In this video, we are going to look at complications that may arise during pregnancy or after pregnancy. So these complications may arise because of incompatibility or when rhesus factors are not compatible. We said the rhesus factor, these are proteins found on the surface of red blood cells, or these are blood antigens found on the surface of red blood cells. We also said the rhesus status of a child depends on his or her parents. Okay, so the positive rhesus factor shows dominance. Then the negative rhesus factor shows recessiveness. So how can complication arise? So complication can arise if the rhesus status of the mother is negative and the rhesus status of the father is positive, sorry. So if the rhesus status of the mother is negative and the rhesus status of the father is positive, the baby that will be produced in the womb, the status of the baby produced in the womb will be positive. Remember we said the rhesus status of the mother is negative. So if the blood of the baby come into contact with the blood of the mother, the body of the mother will start developing, will start producing antibodies. Okay, so this baby may be delivered without problems, without complications, but the body will remain, will continue producing these antibodies, or these antibodies will remain in the body of the mother. So if the mother conceive again, the child that will be produced will have the same rhesus status, which is positive. So since these antibodies have been developed in the body of the mother, if the blood of this baby, the second baby that has been conceived, come into contact with the blood of the mother, these antibodies will fight against this baby. So just like when we were looking at immunity, when your body has been exposed to an infection, the body will develop antibodies. So if your body has been exposed to a strained infection, the body will develop antibodies to fight those that specific infection. So here we have the diagram trying to illustrate what we are talking about. So we have seen that the rhesus status of the father is positive and the rhesus status of the mother is negative. The baby produced has a positive rhesus status, and we can see that the body of the mother has started developing antibodies after blood uh, uh, mixes with the blood of the baby. Okay, the body of the mother has started developing antibodies. So this the function of, or the reason why these antibodies are developed is to fight against the positive rhesus factor. So the first child will be delivered without any problem, but the antibodies will remain in the body of the mother. So if this mother conceive again, automatically the fetus or the baby that will be produced will have a positive rhesus factor. So as a result, these antibodies that have been developed in the body of the mother will start attacking this baby, and this will lead to a hemolytic disease. Okay, So hemolytic disease is a disorder in which red blood cells are destroyed faster than they can be made. So to appreciate the importance of what we have learned, we are going to answer this question, which is coming from 2016 paper 1. Question 17, the question reads, why is it important to determine the rhesus factor of a pregnant woman? A, for organic transplant. B, for purposes of blood transfusion. C, to prevent hemolytic disease in the fetus. D, to prevent HIV and transmission. So we have seen that the purpose of the reason why we are detecting rhesus factor or determining the rhesus factor is to prevent hemolytic disease. So therefore, our correct answer here is C. So in this video, we are going to end here.